Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, spirituality, reflection, and community. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, refraining from food, drink, and sinful behavior. Some cities have longer fasting hours during Ramadan because of where they are located on Earth. Places closer to the North and South Poles experience longer days in the summer and shorter days in the winter. Muslims living in the world's southernmost countries, such as Chile or New Zealand, will fast for about 12 hours, while those living in northernmost countries, such as Iceland or Greenland, will have 17-plus-hour fasts. Cities with the longest fasting hours. Number 5. Glasgow, Scotland. The last day of fasting is 16 hours, 7 minutes. Number 4. Stockholm, Sweden. The last day of fasting is 16 hours, 47 minutes. Number 3. Helsinki, Finland. The last day of fasting is 17 hours, 9 minutes. Number 2. Reykjavik, Iceland. The last day of fasting is 17 hours, 25 minutes. Number 1. Nuuk, Greenland. The last day of fasting is 17 hours, 52 minutes. Cities with the shortest fasting hours. Number 5. Cape Town, South Africa. The last day of fasting is 12 hours, 48 minutes. Number 4. Montevideo, Uruguay. The last day of fasting is 12 hours, 47 minutes. Number 3. Canberra, Australia. The last day of fasting is 12 hours, 46 minutes. Number 2. Porto Moat, Chile. The last day of fasting is 12 hours, 43 minutes. Number 1. Christchurch, New Zealand. The last day of fasting is 12 hours, 42 minutes. Here are some cities with fasting hours on the last day of this year's Ramadan. London, UK, 15 hours, 11 minutes. Dubai, UAE, 13 hours, 58 minutes. New York City, US, 14 hours, 21 minutes. Jakarta, Indonesia, 13 hours, 10 minutes. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, 13 hours, 44 minutes. Ankara, Turkey, 14 hours, 38 minutes. Rabat, Morocco, 14 hours, 18 minutes. Tehran, Iran, 14 hours, 23 minutes. Dhaka, Bangladesh, 13 hours and 54 minutes. Islamabad, Pakistan, 14 hours, 17 minutes. New Delhi, India, 14 hours, 5 minutes. Muslims in the Northern Hemisphere will experience shorter fasting hours this year, and the duration will continue to decrease until 2031. This is because Ramadan will fall on the winter solstice, which is the shortest day of the year. After 2031, fasting hours will start to increase until the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. On the other hand, Muslims living south of the equator will experience the opposite.